Hello everyone, it is Susie and welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is doing great. I have another Your Creative Studio box that I'm going to do an unboxing on. I've just opened it as normal. I haven't even looked inside, so I just got this today in the mail, so we are going to check it out. December is the box, so let's get into it and see what's in here. Oh, this is a pretty card today. Look at that. And of course that is Amanda's thank you card. It says, thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you would enjoy our December collection. So Amanda always sends a thank you card, and it's always really cute. I love the colors of this one though, especially. So, all right, so let's get in and see what is in here. Yeah, let's just take it out. It's just easier to take it out of the box. There we go. All right, so let's see. Oh, this is cute. This is like a little piece of luggage or something. How stinking cute is that? Postcard. That is super cute. Love that. Okay. These are journal tabs. Well, now this is new. I haven't seen anything like this so far. I don't believe in any of the boxes that I've had. So this is quite unique here. Journal tabs. I love that. And they're two different ones, maybe. Yeah, just two different prints. Yeah. So these are pretty cool. Now I guess there's three different ones, but or maybe even four, but they're very close together and you don't really notice the difference. So let's see here. They're not self-sticking, but they're very nice and thick. So they're not going to, they're not thin and flimsy. So those are absolutely cute. I love those. All right, let's see what else. Black and white collection. So these are going to be like my little, probably cards I like for collaging. These are like a vellum here. And then here are some just on a kind of almost a cream colored cardstock or paper. So very cute. Spring is coming up. Those will work great for spring. Oh, classic round. I do like these. Anytime that they have the little things like this, I really do like these. And these are all round. It looks like several different colors. So here's some red. There's a bunch of them in here. Here's some blue and some green. And those will be good to use your rub-ons or even stamp. Or if you like to write. So on those. So those are cute. And those of course are adhesive. They have a peel back. On them, a sticky. Alright, so let's see. This is a cling stamp here. Let's see what we've got. I've got a glare, so I can't really see. I mean, I could... It looks like a floral and then some postcards or something, but I will stamp these so we can see them. I will absolutely stamp them. Let's see what this one... Oh, this one's like a big swag. Like a big... Yeah. This is a big stamp here. It's just like a floral swag there. So that's kind of cool. Alright, and we got some washi tape. Nice blue and purple. See if I can find an end here. I'll rip some of that off, so we're gonna. So cute. Love that color. Absolutely love it. Love that color. Right, and here we've got some, looks just like some little collaging sheets. Yeah, they're like just nice ephemera actually. These are really cute. Love the colors of that. Yep, so that is, those are what those are. Those are almost like little mini postcards almost. Okay, oh, these are pretty. Love these. These are your little sticker sheets, but I love that. And here are some sticky notes, just in that pretty purple and blue color. And I'm not sure, these would work great for some just little snippets here. They may be a sticky note too, I'm just not sure. No? Nope, they're just little, now these are pretty thin, but these would make great little backdrops for your snippets. Or like a little side snippet even. Love that. Okay, oh, and here's the pretty papers. Or this, let's see what this is here. No, they're not thin. I thought they might be like the tissue, but they're not. They're just a, oh, that's a thick cardstock. That's a really heavy, thick cardstock. Yeah, so cute. Love that. Oh, I think they have little snowflakes in them. Well, yes, this paper has little snowflakes in them. I didn't even notice that till, yeah, look there. So very cute, very cute. And then it looks like a package of just some, these are almost like your little washi tapes, only in a, on a little sticky strip there. So it's got a little bit of Christmas there. Actually, you could use it for spraying. You've got your little spraying colors. And these, this is wide. This is a wide one. Those are, other ones are narrow. Oh, and here's like a 4. Yeah, these are like 4 different ones here. So pretty cute. Okay, so that looks like the box, and I'm going to clean up this, and we might do a little collage in my little journal there. And anyway, so let me clean up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my mess cleaned up, and I've kind of went ahead and laid this out. I always like to try to lay something out. This is just kept really simple. Don't want it to be a lot in here, so what I have done is I took a Tim Holtz, just one of his little snapshots. I used the long paper that I said would be good for a snippet, which I love the purple, so I wanted to keep that purple flower kind of shining through there. And I just want to make an easy little collage here. And so what I thought I would do is I'm going to use one of the circles here. And I've got some rub-ons, and I'm going to take this and I'm just going to rub on like this parcel post. I'm just going to rub that on kind of like that. And that is basically going to be my little collage. And I think I will probably stitch on this. I don't think I'm going to stitch around the picture or anything. I think I'm just going to stitch on this little brown numbered, the craft paper there. So I'm going to go ahead and get this stuck to, not the page, but to this music sheet here. And then I will stitch a little bit maybe, and then we'll put it on the page. So, and my little journal still does not have a cover on it. I still haven't figured out what I'm going to do for the cover on this one. So, but let's go ahead and get these rubbed on I really like these little circles here. And I'm not going to worry about being too precise on that. Getting it just centered and all. Okay, so I'll get that there. I don't think I'm going to put the asterisks. I'm not going to put them yeah, oh, that one came off anyway. Darn. I wasn't going to. Well, we'll go ahead and put this one on since that one's there. Yeah, I didn't really want them on there, but okay, there's that. And then we're going to put stamp right in the middle here. And I don't know, maybe I wanted a little awkward there. Maybe I want it going a little sideways, I think. Yeah, I think we'll do that. I think we'll just do that a little. Alright. Alright, so that's just going to go like right there. Yeah, that'll look good. So I'm just going to peel off a little bit of the layer here. Let's get this down here. So I'm going to kind of just get that stuck where I want it. I just know anytime that I don't go ahead and glue it a little bit like this, it moves on me and I never get it right back where I had it. Okay. So let's go ahead and get this glued down somewhat. Alright, so I'm going to kind of lay this here because I want to get this stuck. Yeah, something like that. And then that, of course, it's self-sealing, so we'll put that on last. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch the little number there. Okay, so like I said, I just did a little stitching there. And before I forget, and we glue this down, I wanted to show you the stamps. I did get them stamped off here. I just stamped them on these little Rolodex cards here. So I really like that. And there is the other one. It's just kind of like a little swagger. I would probably just turn it that way. But, or if you had a picture, it'd be cute to stamp that right alongside a picture or another word stamp. So, but anyway, there are the two stamps. They really came out nicely. So let's get this glued down. Okay. Then I'll come in and catch all the little spots I had missed. And that really doesn't even want to catch on that. So I think what I'll do is put a couple of staples in it. So let's go ahead and get this down. Okay, we'll go ahead and get this. And that's just going to kind of go right there. Okay, and then let's grab the, and I don't know if I'll be able to get the stapler in there or not. I'm not sure that it'll reach. Let's see. You might have to just go this way with it. Let's see. Yep, and then we'll come up. I don't think it's going to reach. So I cannot get another staple in there. We'll just try to get it to stick down with a little more glue. Or I might even put a piece of tape there. Okay, so let's add a piece of aged tape. Okay, so I got my aged tape here, and we're just going to add a little piece, if I can get it off the paper here. And let's see, I think I'll have to just go this way with it. I'll just add us a little piece of aged tape. And maybe put us a little piece up there even. There we go. We'll just add us a little piece here. Yeah, there we go. And I think that is good enough for the little collage. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and I will catch you all in the next video. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.